Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best tabbouleh. It's a Middle Eastern or Mediterranean side dish that you can eat by itself or in a pita bread sandwich, and it's refreshing, healthy, and oh so flavorful. Let's get it. I'm going to start by soaking some bulgur in some hot water for about 10 minutes or until it softens and cooks through. And just set this aside for now and let's get to chopping here. I'm going to start with some parsley. This is going to be the base of the salad, so we want it really nice and fine here. And then I'm just going to dice up some red onions. I prefer the red onions over either yellow or white just because they offer some really great sweetness and pop in the salad. A little bit of tomatoes and some mint. The mint is really going to make all the difference here. It's going to add in another dimension of flavor profile that's going to complement the parsley really well with its freshness. And lastly, some lemon. Fresh lemon juice is going to make all the difference. And just add it in all together and combine it really well. You can also add in a clove of finely minced garlic or some English cucumbers if you prefer. And if you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you could make this at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to dress our salad with some fresh lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. And you can also take this to the next level with some cumin and some 7 spice. And I like to let this sit for a bit so all the flavors have a chance to marry together. And there you have it, folks, some wonderfully fresh tabbouleh.